Hello everyone, hope you're doing really good. So I remember in our last video, we did, let's see, can we find it again? We did abstractions. I'm not sure if this was the exact abstraction that I did that day, but this is something how it turned out. And like I said, I was working on another abstraction. There's this kind of abstractions. These are the two I know, this one and anyway, I'm not going to search for the abstraction all the time we have on our video. We're already 7 minutes into it. So I would say we get drawn, okay? So one of the things I like to do, this is kind of maybe like a theme or something, but I always like to do what I call word draws. And they are super fun. Well, a word draw is, one second. I got cardstock paper, but you can use whatever type of paper you have with you right now. And so word draws are very fun. So what you need for them is paper. I have cardstock paper, doesn't really matter. And you need 2 colors of markers. Well, markers, but one color and one a different color, okay? Trying to explain it the easiest way. So if you don't have those, pause and I have my markers right next to me. So if you don't have them, pause and okay. If you got all that stuff, you're ready. So for our word draw, let me get my markers. Those things are heavy. Getting really heavy. So, like I said, for a word draw, they're very fun. Well, at least for me. And so, all you really have to do is pick a word and try to write it in try to write in the middle of your page. Okay? But, I mean, try to write big. Here, I'll show you something what I mean. So, I'm going to be doing the word. Sorry, that's a vacuum. I don't know what they're doing here, but so ignore the vacuum sound. So I might do the word That's pretty bad picture of a word, of the letter word. But the reason I did that was because I have a specific idea, which is good for, in this case, it's good. I'm just gonna pick one of these colors actually. These would go together. Yeah. Okay, I did my first letter, M. Okay, when yours comes out, can I see yours? I think it looks great, yeah. Like how some of you did the word and did the M as same thing as I did, and some of you did something totally different for the word, and totally different for the picture. And so now, let's take it again. Sometimes I just like to come up with little monsters or something like that. Something along those lines. Oh, this is gonna be funny. This is going to be a vegetable. The vegetable, I think he deserves his healthy arms. So that's my vegetable. That is my word. That's my word draw for the day. The D was hard, but I finally got it. So, yeah, that's my word draw for the day. But so people know it was me, I'm gonna write my name. I always write their names. But I, as an artist, lots of artists write their names at the bottom right corner. And that's where I'm gonna put my name. Maybe a little explanation point. Okay, there. Explanation point. Okay, so if you have a date stamp, that's awesome, but you can also write the date. I am going to date stamp it. I did. Okay, right. You can really do it anywhere, but I have to hold this down. Oh, I did the wrong way. Well, anyway, it doesn't really matter. It works that way too. Actually, date stamp back. And so, like I said, on Monday, you should be ready for a little video that we're gonna have. And until then, hope you stay drawing, making art, and see you next time.